In this session, let us learn about Python MongoDB insert. Insert into collection. A document in MongoDB is the same as a record in SQL database. To insert a record or document as it called in MongoDB into a collection, we use the insert_1 method. The first parameter of the insert_1 method is a dictionary containing the names and values of each field in the document you want to insert. See, insert a record in the customers collection. See, now we are inserting Joker address highway. See, one result inserted. Return the _id field. The insert_1 method returns a insert1 result object which has a property insert_id that holds the id of the inserted document. See example, insert another record in the customers collection and return the value of the id field. See here, now we are inserting name Pawan, address Lucknow. Yes, it is inserted. If you do not specify an id field, then MongoDB will add one for you and assign a unique id for each document. In the example above, no id field was specified. So, MongoDB assigned a unique id for the record document. See here. Insert multiple documents. To insert multiple documents into a collection in MongoDB, we use the insert_many method. The first parameter of the insert_many method is a list containing dictionaries with the data you want to insert. See, now we are inserting some customers data. See here, Anila, Asina, Mohini, Sandy, address and name and address, like that. See, some code is written by itself. Print list of the id values of the inserted columns. The insert_many method returns a insert many result object which has a property inserted_ids that holds the ids of the inserted documents. Insert multiple documents with specified ids. Now we can specify some ids. If you do not want MongoDB to assign unique ids for your document, you can specify the _id field when you insert the documents. Remember that the values has to be unique. Two documents cannot have the same id. See here, now we are giving the values with some ids 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 like that. See, ids were printed. Okay friends, this is the end of part 4 Python MongoDB insert. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Python MongoDB find. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.